we speak of hunger. No? There is a lot of hunger going around in the world, not because of the scarcity of food, but the scarcity of sharing, no? Dahil dito. No? But there are many, many kinds of hunger, not just food, but many, many kinds. Kahapon, pinag-usapan natin ng knowledge and wisdom. No? Many times, we hunger for knowledge. But again, let me repeat, knowledge alone will bring us to hell. We need wisdom, the Spirit of God, how to use this knowledge properly. Because if not, knowledge will be using it for our own. No? Paano ba ako makikinabang? Paano ba ako magkakaroon ng advantage over the other para gamitin yung kaalaman na to sa ating kapwa? Para lamangan. No? But it requires the knowledge, the hunger. It is not just for knowledge, it is hunger for God through wisdom. No? So this is what we are asked to hunger for. It is the hunger for Christ Himself, because only He can satisfy us. It is called spiritual hunger. No? We hunger for, it is important to feed our bodies, yes, but it's more important to feed the soul, the spirit. Kaya nga, no, if you will notice, in the gospel today, 3 araw na sila sumusunod kay Jesus. Gutom na. Pero pag nasasatisfy tayo, no? If we are inspired, parang hindi tayo masyado nakakaramdam ng gutom. No? Alam naman natin, di ba? Kunyari, you're so engrossed with your telephone, no? O nagmamadyong, o nagti-TV, no? Nasa computer, hindi napapansin yung gutom kasi we are spiritually or we are intellectually or emotionally being satisfied. Hindi tayo nakakaramdam ng gutom, no? Pag tayo'y na-inspire, pag tayo'y nakafocus sa bagay-bagay na yan. So, how important it is to be spiritually inspired, no? Nakakatuwa pag in-inspire tayo, hindi nakakaramdam ng gutom. But that is why Jesus was inspiring, He was healing, He was binubuo niya tayo, binubuo niya yung mga tao. How important, how beautiful it is to inspire people. But not only did Jesus fill up this hunger, pero because of His compassion, pati yung physical, which is not as important but also very important, we know, pero pinunuan niya rin, no? Pinunuan niya yung gutom na yan, no? So we turn to Jesus. May we to do the same. We people, we try to satisfy the hunger physically and spiritually of others, especially the poor, those the margins, how important it is. And we continue to thank our Kusina ni San Antonio who allow us to be the instrument. Hindi naman kami nagpapakain eh. Kayo nagpapakain dahil sa tulong ninyo eh. Nakakatuwa, no? Nagbe-birthday dito, imbes na mag-birthday, they share it here, they celebrate the food to others, especially as we all know, no, there are about 200 being fed every day, Monday to Saturday, because of your generosity. Our own share in the multiplication of loaves. We thank God for this opportunity na maging daluyan ng grasya ng Panginoon to allow the love of God, no, in this. We ask our saint today, Saint John Damascene, to intercede for us this season of Advent. Salamat sa Diyos.